I'm excited to unveil that HubSpot has just released predictive deal scores within HubSpot. This new functionality enables reps to actually better manage their pipelines based on HubSpot's AI intuitive machine learning. Based on numerous different data points within HubSpot, HubSpot can now automatically calculate the likelihood of closure against your deals, all within Sales Hub. So what this means is based on certain factors captured against the deal itself, such as things like deal velocity, the actual activity reps are actually reporting against the deals themselves, based on things like timelines, so how long deals have been sat at certain stages. HubSpot will now take all of these factors into consideration to automatically calculate that likelihood of closure for you. If organizations are incurring things like high deal volumes, so you create a lot of deals based on the nature of your industry or the products you actually offer, using this new deal scoring predictive functionality can enable teams to better prioritize their workloads and actually spend time focusing on those core deals and less time wasted on the actual cold, not yet fruitful opportunities. Additionally, this actually gains a deeper understanding towards the key factors of the success against those deals themselves. So let's jump into HubSpot and I'll showcase what this looks like. So as you can see here, within the actual portal itself, this is just a query, a field that can be queried. So it's really no different than any numerical property within HubSpot. However, this is automatically calculated by HubSpot itself. So this value cannot be manipulated. As mentioned, we can easily sort something like the highest score itself to then empower those users to focus on those key opportunities. But more importantly, if we actually go to one of the deal records themselves, with the use of this Insights deal card, we can actually see the key factors that attribute towards that score, both positive and negative. So as you can see in this actual example shown here, based on the actual number of activities taking place, you can see HubSpot slightly increased the score as a result of that. However, primarily due to some negative activities taking place, such as the deal going stale, potentially decaying, or actually some movements such as going backwards in the pipeline or reducing the deal amount would then influence it from a negative scoring factor. In addition to that, if we just click View Score History, we'll have a full audit towards the changes that have taken place to then better enable the users to understand the actual behavior taking place against these deals themselves. All of this is readily available within the portal and accessible merely through a few clicks.